Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, see, whenever it goes high, what we have seen that it made a new high and from there we have seen a downfall has come and this particular swing has formed and from there it move upside, made a second new high and then we have seen a sharp fall, made a swing at this particular level, and this is being repeated for 4-5 times, okay, and continuously on the upside. So what we can see looking at this chart, there is a continuous downfall, okay, because as we can understand here that it tries to make another new high, but we have seen there is a sharp fall has come and the Russia-Ukraine war affected the price of crude so much that there is so much of volatility we have seen in the price of crude, at around $77.46, okay, and chances are very high that it can move further low because this is the range. Once breaks downside, we can see it can fall further low, okay, or if it sustain above a level of around 982, then a probability can be there it can move further high and can touch a level of around 85.58, which is a strong support. So if it sustain above that level, probability of moving further upside can be there. Explaining you the next how it will move in the next week. If you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $82.13, which is a weak resistance, so chances will be very high it can move further upside towards a level of 83, and from there we can see it can move further high towards a level of $86.75, and once if it goes above $83, then we can see it can touch a level of around $85.58, which is a resistance which was acting as a support previously, but now the price has moved below this particular level, so now 85.83 will act as a strong resistance. So you have to keep this in mind. If the price sustain above $85.83, then chances will be very high it can move further high and can touch a level of around $87.99, okay, and if the price sustain above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of $90.14. This $90.14 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can move further upside and can touch a level of around $93.84. This $93.84 is a weak resistance, so chances are very high that it can move further upside and a probability of touching a level of 98.15 is there, okay, and once the price crosses this particular zone, then we can see it can go further high and can touch a level of around $100.61, okay, and if that level goes further upside, we can see it can touch a level of $102.15, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 104.62, okay, and 104.62 is again a resistance which is weak resistance, so chances are very high that it can go further upside and can touch a level of $109.24 to a level of 111.40, okay, and if the price sustain up that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 114.17 and then further upside. Keep this in mind. If the price sustain above a level of 102, chances are high that it can go further upside, okay. Now understand something, that there is Fed can increase interest rate, as well as we have seen USD dollars getting strengthened, so probability can be there can be a demand, there will be a low demand possibility because other countries have to pay more in the USD, so as the dollar is being strengthened, so probability can be there. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can go further down towards a level of $75.66, okay, and if that level also didn't sustain, then we can see it can touch a level of $74.443, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 73.51. If the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 72.89, and from there we can see it can go further low and can touch a level of around 70. So if the price move below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 70.73, and if that level also goes further down, then it can come towards a strong support of $68.33, and if that level goes, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 64.56, okay, and once the price move below that particular level, then we can see it can touch a level of around $62.50, and from there we can see it can move further low towards a level of $59.76, okay, and if the price move below that level, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 53.59 to a level of $52.90, and if that level also goes further low, then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 49.13 also, okay. Now I have already explained you that the price move below this particular level, which is on a higher side. Okay, and mail ID also given in the description. Any doubt regarding crude or any other commodities, you can mail me also, and a telegram link also in the description. Now suppose if the price sustain this particular level, because you know that it is already on a strong support which is already being tested here, so it has bounced back from this level. So if this level sustain, and if it goes above a particular level of 70